If you are new here, welcome. My name is Angela and this is Brian. We are from San Francisco and we love traveling. We have visited a few countries and we would love to share these experiences with all of you. That is the reason why this channel exists. In 2020, we could not do much, but we are getting ready for continue our journey in 2021. Alright guys, please subscribe and join us. Welcome to Angela.S. Good morning and Happy New Year everyone. Yeah, welcome to 2021. Alright, for this new episode, right now we are at North of Lake Tahoe. It's a town called Portola. We are going to check a place called Smith Peak. Alright guys, we will see you over there. See you soon. Our journey right now. We did not expect this much snow, but right now look at this, guys. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Oh.
Fortunately, we got a four-wheel drive truck, so we're four-wheeling up to Smith Peak.
Yeah, it's kind of good thing that somebody broke into my car and we got to rent this car. Just perfect for this trip. Look at this. Wow, so pretty. Wow, look at this guy. Woohoo! Oh my god. Wow. Look at that guys, I'm got stuck. Wow. Woohoo! Wow. Welcome to Smith Peak, Portola. Woo! Ah! That is crazy. It's so beautiful. Yeah, I was hoping that we could go all the way to the top of the mountain, guys. But just like I said, you know, we have to drive through like the forest with like a deep snow like this. Look at this guy. Even I step on it, look. You barely see my feet down there. So we don't think it's a good idea to drive the truck, you know, like this, just a regular truck like this, to go up to the peak. You guys see down there, up there I mean? Yeah, up the hill right there, that's where we're supposed to go. And yeah, we don't think it's a good idea to go you know, with this car up that hill. Yeah, it's good with the snowmobile or maybe in summer. No wonder, you know, when I check on the app, there is no picture of the snow from above because, you know, not many people can drive up there unless they have like special car, special truck. Wow, that's amazing, guys. At least I am so much you know, enjoy with this snow. It's amazing. It's very beautiful. Woo. All right, guys, we are going to explore, or we're going to do something else around here, you know, in this like a small town. Yeah, and then we're gonna share with you guys later. All right, guys, see you in another place and enjoy this beautiful, amazing view with me here. So cold now because of touching snows that make my hand is super freezing cold right now. I cannot really move. All right, guys, let's explore another place. Wow, so nice and warm in here now.
Got it all toasty for you.
Yeah. Oh, let me down all the snow.
Whoa. Wait, we have to see your legs for a bit. Yeah. We have to see all the little bumps. Goosebumps.
Something new. We're gonna explore another place called Beckwuorth Peak. Beckwuorth Peak.
Beckwuorth Peak.
Beckwuorth Peak. Peak.
Not pig.
Not pig. Peak. Alright, guys. Oh, I'm so shaking. Let's come and explore with us. Hi everyone, welcome to Portola, North of Lake Tahoe. Look at the view, guys. I'm not falling. Look at the view, it's amazing. Alright guys, we will back to the hotel and maybe see something around the hotel until the sunset, and we will see you guys tomorrow, maybe in Lake Tahoe.
Are we on the top of the peak?
Yes. No.
No.
We are not on the top of the peak. We just halfway of the peak because we could not make it there.
We tried to go further. We'll turn the camera around. We tried to go further in that awesome car, but the snow got too deep, so we had to turn back. So we're not up there, but still very beautiful here. Right, Angela?
Yes, right. Look at that. So pretty.